Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My dad's home. He's just home from like a quick little run. Well, not like a run like you're running, because that snow. He was just like out on like a little thing. So, yeah. I went to my friend McKenna's house today, and it was really fun. We played hide and seek. We got snacks. We watched America's Got Talent in the Loud House and things like that. So, yeah. I have done vlogs where, like, in the dining room, but I don't think in a long time. So, like, yeah. So, I'm going to the camera, set it up, and maybe just do a vlog for the rest of the time here, maybe, because I haven't done a lot of vlogs in here. I'm like in two chairs because like one and number two, it's like in between two chairs. So yeah, just gonna move it a little bit more this way. No, this way a little bit. Perfect. So yeah. Okay, yeah. So, have you guys seen the video that I did a tour of my dollhouse? It's the same one. I changed it up a little since the last time you might have seen it. Like, I'm like relaxing it on like the door. Like the I'll get closer to it so you guys can see it, like the door. Right there that opens. That's where I'm putting the cameras. So yeah. Perfect. So like you've got like the chair. I know the chair's in there. So I'm gonna give you guys. It's a butterfly chair too. Goodbye, baby, on the treetop. Funny. So yeah, like I'm pretty much talking about like all the vlogs I've already done. Dad is home. Like, this is a really cool thing. Have you seen the ones where it just has to, I don't know if this was existed, but have you seen the ones where you like that and it just goes back in? This one doesn't. Look, you pull it and it stays. And then when you want to go back in, you push. Awesome. Yeah. I want to measure the camera. I'm measuring. Okay, the camera here. 6. The camera is 6. Or I could do above it. Alright, you find the camera too. So, this thing will go so long. It can go longer than, hold on. It's like, it can go like way longer than that. It can go so long. I'm gonna see how long. It can go up to 8 feet, which is 96. Yeah, I'll just get the whole thing up. So, guys, we're going to do the question of the day now. And, yeah. So, yeah. We're just going to do the question of the day. Wait, we're actually not going to do the question of the day because if you have seen one of my videos, it was the last question of the day. So, I do not do question of the days anymore. So, yeah. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.